environment. This is all. I guess sometimes we make excuses just because we don't wanna put efforts. Environment नहीं है, you know, घर वाले मना कर रहे हैं. All these things. At my part, at my home, people hate science because हम गुजराती हैं, commerce background होता है, we do business, simple as that. In my 11 they said me कि भाई मत करिए science, सब commerce ही करते हैं हमारे यहाँ, science कोई नहीं करता. So all this is when you wanna do it, you'll do it. वो एक जिद चाहिए कि भाई मेरे को ये चीज पसंद है, मैं करूंगा. I don't wanna feel guilty कि भाई मैंने try नहीं किया. हाँ, if I would have flunked my 12th तो पक्का commerce ले लेता. Engineering, in my engineering they said me that engineering fees is too hefty, so don't do engineering. I'm like, okay, that is a good thing. So I started earning, I started freelancing, and then I paid my fees. And now they are telling me that, okay, you did it, you actually did it. That feels cool. Like, yes, in my whole family I'm a person who is into engineering, and now they tell their kids that engineer ban ja. So that table turns around. You have to put efforts. Obviously, there is this thing where India mein a girl should be in kitchen, boy should earn, all this dumb shit. Just don't make excuses. Whatever you wanna do, you'll do. Simple as that.